Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. It is now 12 o'clock and today we are getting an early lunchtime and I am hungry. I've been doing a lot of work since I got here from morning. Lifting things, carrying things, and I'm going to visit a restaurant that I haven't visited for a while today. They call it Ballaz. It's like this sports themed kind of restaurant, located on Seaside, that is behind Royal Mall, former known as Farmy Building. And yeah, as I said, I'm feeling hungry, so we're going to see if their food is any good today, or maybe the chef change or something. But last time I've been there, the food was great, so I'm about to go tell my supervisor that I'm going out on lunch now. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, shall I say that one, that's your Bridget?
I buy more.
I'm gonna want to buy you something.
Yeah.
Shake it up.
Food time? Oh, okay, darling.
Yo, lads. Throw on the glasses, block out some of the sun, Just remember we can't walk up here. Digital building, so just have to make our way through the building from the top and go back down the bottom. This is a shortcut. Oh, you can see like one big long grass hallway, the big stores left, right, straight down. If you leave the board line, you're probably familiar with this place already. You take the back entrance, the back exit side. Alright. Yeah, a better view. Come on, there's a weed up on top of the restaurant currently. Over it. Yeah, maybe we can get set up and eat outside under the little gazebo right there. So I want.
I had to cut my initial first impressions from the video because of music that was being played. I apologize for not having any sound in this section of the video, but it's only for a couple of seconds because of the songs and copyright issues. So thank you for your patience.
Try the curry chicken. Yeah.
Hi guys, and sorry again for the inconvenience, but I have to cut the original sound of the video because of the music that was playing again, and I want to avoid copyright problems, but this is basically me just showing, the layout of the bar and some of the artwork that they have up, just this aesthetics basically, it's a clean place, it's well put together, well organized, well fresh, open, light. Like, it's a really good place, and as I said, it's a sports themed restaurant and bar. And as you can tell, I'm recording this very early in the morning so you can hear all the cocks making noise, or chickens. Let's just keep it at chickens.
Yo, brother. Make the order already, so now I'm just there. I wait upon it. Now, 11 minutes after 12, so we have to see how long them are going to take to share it and call me back or whatever. So I just come out, you know, if you make you get a full shot of the area, look, you know. Can't see. I have the number right up there, so too. Yes, sir. The hotel now under the gazebo wait for food, you know. Clot. Whoo! Brother. Wow. So, as you can see, this is the curry food, you know. 7 bills. Hold on, let me take out my fork. You see me? We're not going to be a asshole and dirty the people in the fork because we're probably not going to eat off all of this one time, you know. So this is basmati rice, brother. The expensive, good tasting stuff, isn't it? And as I say, shredded raw vegetable. Like what it looks so far, it look like the vinegar with the kind of sugar thing on it, which I like, you know, love that. And the curry has a nice little color to it. Blood clot, brother. Enough gravy there. Oh gosh, man. Like for 7 bills, I mean this look like it's a belly full and we left you have more to, brother. Oh. So right now we just can't wait to just dive in and, you know, so I go on. And just the presentation alone, brother. You know, although it's a double box food and whatever, but just throw the food, look, it just make you want to off the whole light and share it with nobody, you know. So I'm gonna give the presentation about give the presentation a 8 out of 10, honestly. The food look well done. Humble cloth and all the curry, brother. I mean, in a yellow like some people say, you know, say cook down good. It's not going to run a belly. You know, a good amount of peas going at this, you know. And a 1 and 2 peas where, you know, some restaurant them just count out and should be like that, brother. Like, yeah. 8 out of 10 for the presentation, brother. And the food hot. Whew. Alright, so we'll want to dig in now. Alright, people, so you know, so we have to try the rice first. The rice can't pass the test, brother, then it can't good. But then again, this is a basmati rice, brother. I mean, you know how nobody can just mess this up, you know? Must be a really bad chef. Alright. Alright. I mean, taste of the gravy is there, salty. This is how curry gravy is supposed to taste, isn't it? The rice cooked, brother. Well, I said them add a little bit of extra seasoning in the rice besides the salt, you know, probably a little bit of all-purpose or something like that, but tastes like the rice have something else in there to give an extra layer of flavor, you know. And peas abundant, which is a good thing in a rice and peas. Now I find a fault right this one either. Basmati long grain rice. See me? Yeah, man. Don't see, brother, all the peas that right there, so. Yes, sir. You have to forgive me still because it's different than I'm hungry, you know. I'm gonna find a grain in the rice as it, or a part of me can say, oh, the rice cook uneven, or some of the peas them not cook good, or the peas too tough, you see me? Everything in the rice blended alright, brother. Yeah, man, it's a chef doing thing. What's more to rush in this? Curry food, 7 bills. Worth the money, brother. I find a fault with the rice. I give the rice like a honest rating. 7 out of 10. Nobody now get a full 10 marks. Full disclosure, you know. But 7 out of 10 for the rice, brother. You see me? It's nice. You know. And we think like, and everybody cook them rice where you know it absorb more milk, you see. I like my rice creamy. You see me? No, I not say no coconut juice in there in this, because I taste coconut juice in there, see. But me as a man as I say I like my rice extra creamy, you see. And the basmati rice, you know, put the whole food on a, should I say now, on an enjoyable level, you know. And you eat the rice, brother. Now you can taste each individual grain. Whereas like all if the gravy good, oh God. The gravy are good, brother. So, as when I say rice, 7 out of 10, you know. Recommend Ballaz rice, brother. Same topic of the rice still. You know. And some gravy to mix together, you know. Gravy. You can see, love the gravy so far. Some people when they cook gravy, then they cook curry, brother. Gravy yellow. You see it? So it look like man they make it burn a bit more. Our boy tell you shoot me, I know how them prepare, but I like how it's there. You know, neon yellow, brother, like it a bright like in some kind of club there or something, you know. I like the look at it. And it tastes like the brother is nice. You know, over the salt. And I taste the pepper in it. And then again my tolerance to pepper well up because pepper is something I love, you know. Oh, gravy will get a solid 9 out of 10, brother. Can't fight it. Can't fight it. Alright, now I buy fried chicken. If I come here again to buy fried chicken and the curry gravy here, I put on it. Yeah, man. And as I said, you know, I say I not too like raw veg and everything them, but you know. Raw veg remind me of how my granny used to do it, you know, with the vinegar, with a little bit of sweetness in it, you know. Like that. Can see, brother, just take a nice bite out of the piece of curry chicken breast here. John will start. You know, dry out like some of them. Still a bit of moisture in it, and the sauce not penetrate it like way to pull it apart, you know. And to me that kind of make curry taste a way. I mean I enjoy curry that way, but this solid little chunk of meat, nice gravy all over it. Oh God. That's better.
Oi! Where I go? It is so few and stuff.
Yeah, man. Texture of the meat, brother. As I said, some people then cook curry. Make the meat boil out and everything and too much sauce, gravy or whatever. Start rip the meat apart. And I like that. I don't know how you make curry, brother. This now, meat tender. You can taste the seasoning in it. Like that. That's better. Soft. Bite a couple bone in there, you know. The bone is not tough. Not that tough. You can't tell say meat cook. So overall, When you see me, I enjoy this curry meat, brother. And most know I like it. I always rate things out of 10. As I say, nobody now get a solid 10 out there. But I give this a solid 9, brother. The best curry chicken them have so far. Just saw pay 7 bills for this and I not even go through half of the box already. I'm belly full. Yes man. Good value for money, brother. Basmati rice, vegetable with the vinegar and the little sugar in it. Sauce bad, meat well done. Still, brother. Love it, man. Still I eat it.
Papi, yeah, come here.
Okay?
Where's the good there?
We're gonna get you today.
Yes, people. So, it was a very delicious curry food right there, you know. Can't do find a fault with it. But as I said, me as a man, I love creamy rice, you know. And overall rating for your food, I would give that, brother, is a solid 9, you know. Presentation nice, people them really good, you know, a solid environment, clean, you know. Music not too loud more time. Everything alright, brother. The food just superb. Basmati rice, peas there in there. You can still taste the coconut juice, you know. The level of curry. The reason why I order the curry, you know, brother. And everybody know if you do that. You see me? I swear. Come around and come review some more, you know. Coke. That is another thing, brother. But yeah, man, Ballaz Restaurant, nice food, nice place, environment good, people them deal with you alright. I mean, it's a kind of a budget food kind of thing, and I get served like it's a 5-star place, me there. So completely alright with that.
Boy,
You know, see?
So one of them, couldn't you go watch it, brother?
how are you? No one?
Two of them, man. You have one next to you. I'm Coolie boy. No. Coolie boy. Please let me see.
You fully one?
I'm
like, fully one, this me see.
Where you live?
You have the other one? Let me see.
No, me, I'm sitting there, me this already. Me, when me I do that for my phone, George?
I know, you probably turn on
What
and...
girl name?
Oh.
Nash. Turn me on?
Mm-hmm.
No, sorry, no, turn
Go
me
play
on.
with yourself, you know.
If you need a freak one girl, no back with you.
A man in the sex?
Yeah.
What?
Whatever I do.
He never got sex no bandit. The girl have sex sympathy with the dildo. And he must suck the dildo. So what
Where the blood clot you tell me, say me? Where say the man do?
The woman. Me don't know. They must show some, you know, see the full nothing. But cause one time, he must have one chance in a BM. I said, and just in and a shape up in body and you know, see the face. You know, see the face. And then he cock up, he lie down like a woman and the one woman there. They're not see the woman face neither. But you see the woman have her 2 hands. A 6 man in a body with the dildo.
How the blood clot?
And when he done, you see one big black one. Deep throat, the man a deep throat.
So,
With the big, and you say you saw
how the blood clot? No, sir.
black one.
See you that video, me?
Then
You
you
say,
say, it's a paradam.
me don't even know what that.
So I see you cool one, did that?
Well, you see Coolie one skin out on bed, me never see too much further, brother.
Which part where you live?
Somebody you see in the town, man. I don't know personally how we live. Man, I dig you out, brother.
Man, them deep throat. And you got to weird up myself with the man, you're professional.
No, man, no, no, brother. Something wrong just so.
I tell you one big black sick.
Something wrong just so, brother.
Like the woman that use fear one, and the one pink one, the woman they have a sexy way. Then you have one that in full of them. One big black one. Big and black in the man.
Why, yo.
And when you saw you know him.
Me not even have no physical. As I say, me not know a guy like that, brother. Some of them sit on the road, yo, walk on, that's it. Let's say get the first piece of investment.
Oh.
Rough dog.
Them man there. But ain't foolish still.
No time, man, bro. This conversation used to be, you see me? So, you say, oh, she like one time, you know, she have sex, somebody would have filmed it and send it back to her or whatever. I said, they get all that. I say, no, if you watch it back and feel good. I said, me not get it, you see me? That one, me not have the time for maneuver no camera around while me doing me a day. You see me? I go set it up and make sure I see everything position right or whatever, you see me? Next thing to anything can happen. You can't go so booms and link on my phone, brother, and you gone where you know for going, brother. And go find whatever, you know. Me can't the right so I show you something on my phone and something pop up. All of them something, brother. And it almost lock. And it almost lock at the time, and a man just pick it up at the time when he never lock yet.
Because this kind of with me, remember with me. I lost my phone, the last one, about 4 years before this
remember,
when they say pull your why, you know.
Remember milk off the something, brother. Oh. Yeah, man, professional, man.
Them man, and they smell like...
Whoa. Milk a spit on that and a suck it up back.
Me tell him about the boy there.
You know the Johnny's?
Where we are watching.
The video.
With the man who has a coffee dealer?
Mister.
So you don't see one with the boy who knows party fish to somebody and it...
Brother, a piece right, me see I just come off of that, brother. No, I see no boy skin out in a bed, brother.
Bumbo clad. And the girl which part has a coffee?
No, that one them want to see.
That you want to see? You see that?
No, I don't see that one there.
You want to see with the boyfriend on this one?
You know, I have one something named OnlyFans, you see me? I don't know that word because I don't have it on my phone. But it could have been something like that where a man post it on there and, you know, somebody a good scroll and say, Bumbo clad, no this man that, and, you know, take it down and then just go ship it all over the place. Them something that can go on, brother.
Okay, I mean, if I'm money, I do it with a woman. But this somebody which part in my something video call with, this somebody black out their face. Put one laughing emoji.
Well, on Johnny, this young guy where we see a Turk. Have you just somebody?
No, the recent one there, you know.
Yeah, a recent one, the cool one.
The boy, he left my coolie. He don't have that good ear. Ear long.
I'm cool, the boy, man. You see him pass. You see it.
Yesterday?
I'm going to do over my head. Don't be a take breeze. I wonder why this man is walking in the hot sun. You do over my head, brother. But never have people, man.
I'm glad that people know. Find, I watch a video and they try disguise in friggin' self.
Never have people, no mind, brother.
That is mad what disguise himself. Like you think,
Yo! Ask Nash to forward it to you and then send it to me.
Forward what?
Ask Nash to send the video to you then send it to me.
Me have a video now.
Send it to me then, let me see it.
Yeah, me don't look later.
I the bar radam. Me the go in from my phone and type in radam.
Not too much work for me now. Tired. What? Yeah, man. I understand if you're freaky, you know, brother, but why? You push the there in a throat and take in your body. Something wrong there, something.
I have the woman.
Something wrong there.
I have the woman, say. I have the woman. Now, that food.
You know, I'm chewing on the bug.
Me trade na something. Me press put it down there so me something ready.
But you know,
No scandal in sale.
you know me a pre brother. And them something that get out there where you must feel you walk a road and man a look for you brother.
Oh, so if you're in your community,
Lord,
your community one robot in about somebody you go road and go here and come back and tell them. Yeah?
Like I got me, yes.
You know you got the video with chumpan.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody wants to see the video.
Everybody brother, everybody.
And them are going to look for the video now. Them all look for the video now.
Sad man, it's
But
sad. Yes.
lumpy.
Yes, me know.
In the early 2000 when time, Warner Brothers, they come here. You know them man there, man where go around tourists and do them, what they call them, waterfront man, they do them look hustling and so forth. So one heap of man they get work up a trident because movie did a film and watch a movie and sing that film. You know got one of them? And no video not taking up. But the white man and one and Virgin, they in a the bar, some bar. The white man that was the producer, so you know him big. And he man just started when if I junk, he just say, I fucked your friend last night. And they must say the man I wonder which friend I fucked your friend. The bald-headed one. And all he was on his own. Wee! Like pig, he was screaming like pig. The judge, in go if he must be about 5 years. You hear me tell you? 5 years. The man was in bubble, so now you see me see around white people see come now go right now a car you never drive or get car. Probably that broke him out. Go on like say him a done cause he met the white man from Warner brother fuck him. Yes, so enough of them are do certain things just with money. You hear me tell you? Oh, but he come like I force him to do it because him and the half him a good money. He force him to do it.
Him squeal like pig.
What?
Make him squeal like blood clot pig brother.
Man just talk a fuck your friend last night. And he was screaming like a pig. All of that man should have get shot in them blood clot more.
Good the Marshall friend too. Yeah man, a Marshall friend man.
Batty boy.
Hey.
I was batty boy.
You want to knock your shoe on your phone?
No sir.
No man. Ballaz Restaurant Bar. You can sell building, you know. You can walk around farmy side to behind farmy and you come down should I say a car right here so I don't know. Seaside, yes. When you come down Seaside Road, as I can see it down this way, you know. The big road there, you can't miss it. Nice food, nice environment, you know. Love it. As I say, brother, you can't complain. 7 bills for your food like this. Yes, brother, nice. And as I say, brother, I'm still not done the food yet. Nearly full. So, you know, until next video, I guess, you know. Yeah. My brother, no matter where you go in Jamaica, bike there will always be a problem, you know. But yes, people, until next time, big up on yourself and stay safe. George, Bush God, out.